Desiccated coconuts are best made with a dehydrator, but did you know you can achieve the same results just by using your oven? Today's video will show you how to do just that. First, you need a few coconuts for this. The drier they are, the better. I'm going to crack this open with the blunt end of the knife. You can also hit this against a wall or use a hammer to crack this open. Anything to get those meat out. See how effortlessly this came out. Now you know why it's good to use dried coconuts. For those stuck in the shell, you can crack the shells and slide the meat out with a knife, just like I'm doing. Make sure to protect your palms from the impact of hitting the coconuts. Once you've got your coconut meat, give it a good wipe with a clean cloth or paper towel to remove any particles from the surface. So once you have this done, go ahead and take the skin off the coconut meat. I prefer to use a knife for this process, especially for the broken ones, but you can use a peeler if you have that available. Scrape off any excess skin bits or particles from the surface and repeat the process for all. Let's go ahead and grate these coconuts. We want to grate these as finely as possible because the finer they are, the quicker they will take to dry. I'll be using this side of the grater to achieve those fine shreds. While at it, you need to exercise care to avoid hurting yourself. Using a plastic grater could be more safer. Once you are done, transfer the shreds onto a baking pan. You don't need to overfill the pan. Just a little will be okay so the shreds dry quickly. I'm going to transfer this to the oven and adjust the temperature to 100 degrees. Keep an eye on these and turn them from time to time, roughly 10 to 15 minutes interval. Continue this until you realize the shreds look dry and have shrunk considerably. Take it out of the oven once it's done, allow it to cool and store in an airtight container in a cool, dry place. Add this to your amazing recipes for that crunchiness and taste. I hope this video was helpful and you are going to try this method out. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video.